Hi, thank you for joining me. This is Steve Mantzouris. I have an Almar knife with me. Almar was a very famous man who has died recently, unfortunately. A lot of history with Almar. This is a Almar 10-inch folding knife called the SEER. Stands for Survival, Evade, Resistance, and Escape. It's a 2003 model. That's the model number. Real nice, sturdy canvas scabbard, very thick, very well made. That just shows the quality of what Almar stands for. And that label on the blade is the trademark for Almar. Almar was so well known and such a quality knife builder that he actually built some of the later SOG knives that you'll see made even today, but to carry the Almar name and the Studies and Observation Group, which is SOG, to carry that name, you had to be a high quality knife maker. Made in Seiki, Japan, or Seiki, Japan, as most people would say. Very high quality, no wobble, very strong knife. You can see this knife at my eBay store at Ronin 1955. If you have any questions, you can call me at 925-398-8835 or email independentadvisor@msn.com. Have a wonderful day. Thank you very much.